Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 3 simple low-carb breakfast ideas. They make easy keto-friendly breakfasts that are just full of simple ingredients and lovely and filling. And I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which actually has 30 easy low-carb breakfast ideas. So there's these recipes and loads more, so be sure to click through for that. And please leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Comment to let me know your favorite simple low-carb breakfast ideas. So I am starting with this lovely, nourishing superfood breakfast bowl that is full of lovely, yum, low-carb keto-friendly ingredients, and it's super simple to put together. Let me show you how. So I'll chat you through the ingredients I've got. We've got some zucchini and leek, which I'm going to fry up. We've got a beautiful avocado over there. We've got some eggs that I'm going to make some scrambled eggs with, and smoked salmon too. So we're just really going to put this all together. You can mix and match whatever you want in your superfood breakfast bowl, and I'll leave some ideas in the link down below. But we're going to start off by sauteing the zucchini and the leek in heaps of butter, which is another wonderful superfood. I very roughly chopped up the leek and the zucchini just to make sure to clean any of the dirt off, because it does kind of happen with leeks. They end up with dirt in between all the little layers, so give it a good clean. And we've just got some butter melting in the frying pan, and we're going to saute this until it's done to our liking. Okay, I've got my vegetables sauteing away. I thought I'd just whisk up my eggs. I've got 5 eggs, added a splash of cream in for nice creamy scrambled eggs, and we'll just whisk it until it's smooth. And then they're ready to cook up once the veggies are done. Veggies are almost done. I'm just going to let them saute for another minute or so, and then I'll move them off into bowls and cover them up to keep warm while I season my eggs. Here you go, veggies are done. We'll just cover them up with a bowl and see to our scrambled eggs. And the eggs are in the frying pan, and we're just going to scramble them around till we've got beautifully, perfectly scrambled eggs, and it's up to you how long that takes. Once that's done, we'll pop them into the bowl and we'll build up our breakfast. It really didn't take long at all. Scrambled eggs are done. Let's make our breakfast. There we go. Scrambled eggs are in our breakfast bowl. We're going to add in our smoked salmon, avocado too, and put it all together. There you go. And my breakfast is complete. Look, beautiful. Smoked salmon, avocado, scrambled eggs, and all those vegetables, all full of superfoods. Great way to start the day. Give loads of nourishment, all kinds of vitamins, minerals. So that's this simple, low-carb superfood breakfast bowl. So colourful and so flavourful. Keep watching for a couple of more easy, low-carb, keto-friendly breakfast recipes. And next I'm showing you how to make this lovely, cheesy mushroom omelette, which just has a few ingredients and is super quick and easy to put together. So I've chopped up a whole lot of mushrooms. I've added in some onion too, just a bit of chopped red onion for flavour. You can add in salt, pepper to taste, and we're just going to toss and keep cooking the mushrooms until they're all reduced down and caramelised, adding more coconut oil along as I go. It's only been a few minutes and the mushrooms have reduced down significantly. I'm just going to let them cook a little longer, get a bit caramelised. Then we'll move them off into a bowl and start cooking up our eggs. Now for the eggs, whisk together 2 to 3 eggs per person, add in some cream, and you can add in a pinch of salt to any other seasoning you like for your omelette, and then that'll be ready to go once your veggies are cooked and ready too. I'm happy with how caramelized and lovely those mushrooms look, so now we'll move them into a bowl and get our omelette cooking. So I've cleared the frying pan out, added in more coconut oil, and we'll pour in the eggs. And I'll just let it set for a minute, and then I like to move the outside in and the inside out and get it ready for our filling. So the omelette's pretty much set on the bottom, and so now we'll just add in the filling. And because I'm making this for myself and my husband, I've kind of split it in two, with a smaller bit on the one side and the larger on the other side. So it's kind of like his and hers omelette being made. So I've got a nice portion of mushroom on each side. There's actually mushroom left over that we'll have on the side of our breakfast too. And now we'll just top it with a bit of cheese. So I've got a nice portion of cheese on top of the mushrooms, and now we'll just fold the omelettes over. So I folded the 2 mushroom omelettes and 2 mushroom cheesy omelettes over, and we'll just get them cooked through on both sides and then move them off to plates. So there is my lovely omelette overflowing with cheese and mushroom goodness. And yeah, a little bit of mushrooms to have as well on the side with my lovely breakfast too. So that's this super simple cheesy omelette that makes a lovely breakfast. Keep watching for one more easy breakfast idea. And my final simple low-carb breakfast idea is a 2-ingredient chia pudding. I'm just using chia seeds and canned coconut milk, but you could use any milk you like, and you can add in cream, yogurt, berries, chocolate, loads of options, which I'll leave in the blog post down below with my 30 breakfast ideas. There's loads of chia puddings in there for you to choose from to make one to suit your tastes, but it's super simple to just make one with 2 ingredients, as I'll show you now. So I've got a bowl over here and I'm just going to pop half a cup of coconut milk in, and then I'm adding in 2 heaped tablespoons of chia seeds. Struggling to focus on this. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. There you go, it's a bit better. Just try to readjust and move that out the way. And just mix through the chia seeds until they're all submerged in the coconut milk. And then it's just a matter of leaving it in the fridge for the chia seeds to do their magic. I like my texture really pudding-like, so I'm quite happy leaving it like this. You could also stick it into a blender and then the chia seeds blend in and it still has the same lovely thick pudding texture, but not quite as thick and chia-like, if that makes sense. Okay, I'm happy with that, and now it's going to go in the fridge and I'll show you once it's thickened up. And the coconut milk chia pudding has been in the fridge a few hours. You can see it's set, it's thickened up, it's completely hardened up just as a chia pudding should do. And if I pop a spoon in, you can see, oh, it's beautiful and thick and just how I like it, and it just makes such a lovely breakfast. So that is my video with 3 simple low-carb breakfast ideas that they're all lovely and keto friendly. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment to let me know your favorite simple low-carb breakfast ideas, and remember to check down below for the link to the blog post, which has 30 simple low-carb breakfast ideas. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.